Is your lawn not looking the best these days?
Oh, okay.
Hi, I'm Dakota Shafer with Structure Real Estate Group in Colorado Springs, and today I want to talk about your sprinkler system, specifically the solenoid, which runs the valve to your sprinkler system. So I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot this problem and how to replace the solenoid. So a solenoid hooks up to your sprinkler clock and it tells the valve when to turn on and off. And so to troubleshoot whether you have a bad solenoid, if your clock is turning all of the other zones in your sprinkler system on and off, but maybe one of them isn't working correctly, it's probably a faulty solenoid. So what you want to do is you want to test the actual valve that's not working, or the zone. And to do that, you can turn the solenoid to the left and you turn on your sprinkler system manually that way. If it does turn on manually, but it's not turning on with the clock, then you do have a faulty solenoid, and that's what you need to change out. The first step to changing out a faulty solenoid is just to shut off the water to your sprinkler system. The second step is just to unscrew the solenoid from the top of the valve, and you just do that by turning it all the way to the left and keep turning to unscrew it, and a little bit of water will come out. So go ahead and cut the wires and pay attention to where they're hooked up. Okay, so we're going to the red one with that, and then we're just going to unhook this one or cut it off. Okay, now we're ready to install the new solenoid. So you just take it and just screw it on. Make sure it's nice and tight, no leaks. Then you take your wires. I went ahead and stripped this red wire. That was the one that we disconnected to begin with. And you just wrap the wire around it, and then take a wire nut and make sure that's good and tight. And then you take the other wire to the common, wrap that around, put a wire nut on that as well. And that's it. And now you're ready to test this zone with your sprinkler clock to make sure that it runs. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to contact me at the number on the screen or on our website. And we'd love to have you subscribe to our YouTube channel for homeowner maintenance tips and all things real estate.